Welcome dear to How To channel, myself Kiran Sharma. In this video I will discuss the usage of footnotes and endnotes in Microsoft Word document and how to insert the same. Let's begin. Footnotes and endnotes are actually added to explain, to add comments or provide references for text in a document. Now footnotes are used to add detailed comments and endnotes are used to provide citation of sources. Footnote and endnote consists of two linked parts, the note reference mark and the corresponding note text. So let's start. To insert footnote or endnote, select the references from the menu tab. From here select insert footnote from the footnotes group. Now before inserting, place the cursor where you want to insert the footnote. So let's place it over here and then insert footnote. Let's type some text. Footnote sample text, and when I click over here it will take me to the footnote which is just now added. If I click over here it will take to the corresponding text. Now you can change the format of this footnote. You can format the footnote also. To format it, launch the footnote dialog launcher, and from here select the formats which are provided. You can change the number format, numeric, alphabets. Then in numeric and alphabets also you will see a variety of it. So let's select this and apply the change. So it's changed to this Roman 1. Same way you can select the start also. You can change the starting points also, and if you want the numbering to be continuous or restart at each section, restart each page as per a requirement, you can make select the options from here. From here you can select the bottom of page or below text. Now presently it is at bottom of page. Let's select below text and apply, so it will be just immediately below the text. So this is it for the footnote. Let's add an endnote and see. So place the cursor over here. I want it over here, and from the reference menu tab select insert note. So now the endnote is added and you have the same options similar to the footnote. Click on this footnote dialog launcher. Footnote and endnote dialog opens up, and from here you can select whether you want it at the end of the section or end of the document. Let's select this. You can change the number format. Let's select this alphabet. You can select the starting also, whether you want to start it with from A or B or C. For the timing, let's start it with A and then click on apply. So the endnote is added, and you can type the text also after inserting endnote sample text. So once I click on the corresponding text, it will take to the reference, and when I click on the reference link it will take to the corresponding text. So this is it about the footnote and endnote, the purpose of it and how to insert it. If you find this video worth watching, then share it with your friends, give a like, and add comment also what else you want to know about the footnote and endnote. And if you haven't subscribed the channel, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to receive the notifications of the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye.